Hello everyone, welcome back again in our web designing course at lesson 7. Today we're going to discuss about CSS Border, which is very important as well to design your website. It is border that you require in any of your elements, like in the paragraph, in the image, in the panel, in a card, and specifically in a certain area of your website. So to do that, you need to use that border. Okay, so let's get started with that. Before we start this lesson, I have prepared some content so that it will be easy for you to understand, which is here. Here, yeah. CSS Border. CSS Border is the properties that allows you to specify the style, width, and color of an element's border. As I said, that any elements that you want to make a border with, and you can use that CSS Border syntax into the CSS style code. So how you do that, let me show you. Here we go. I have prepared the code before actually I started. Here is the page that I have generated after I have created those code, which is here. As you can see, the first border style, which is dotted border, second one dashes, and then third one is solid border, fourth one is double border, so and so. So how I did that, as you remember that in our last lesson we have done until here, until line number 7. We have learned about selectors, how you can select any elements by using the CSS selectors. So that was until here that we have learned. So today we're gonna start from here and further here. So first let's have a look the HTML code that I have generated into our HTML page, which is here. Yep, it's until here, right? After today we're gonna discuss from here. So yeah, this is the border style properties. As you can see, this one as I have selected here, which is showing in your website, in your page here, the border style property, and I put the heading 2. That's why it looks a little bit bigger. And then after that I put a paragraph called "This property specifies what kind of border." So here is that line is. So after that I have made couple of paragraph, I mean not couple of, it's like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, altogether 11 different border style paragraph, just to show you how many different types of design of border you can make in your website. So first one in line number 27 is saying the dotted. So first what I did make P means paragraph. It's a little paragraph with saying a dotted border, and it's here is the close tag of that paragraph. So here it's saying that this paragraph I have given a class name dotted. Then how I'm gonna connect this this paragraph with the style sheet, which I did it into the CSS style.css page. How is that? Before in our last class we have shown you that how you can select your any elements by the name class, or by the name, by ID, by group, or so and so. I mean, there is altogether 5 different types of selectors. Among those, one is class. So today we're gonna use class selectors to connect each of the border design, border style in our CSS page, which is here. So as you can see, to connect, to select any elements which you make already, which you given the class name through the class, I have shown you, I have given you the examples that you need to do dot, you need to put the dot, and then after that the name of the class. So that's how this code is connecting specifically this border, because I given the class name dotted here. So by this name I have connected this paragraph would be looks like dotted border by given this total code, by showing this total code, which is dotted, and then you have to design, to style your paragraph. You have to write border style, that is the real code, and you need to set dotted. So by doing that, your border will be generated with among that part is with this particular border with assigned dotted paragraph. So as you can see here, the border is showing with the dot. So by doing this we can do that. So like dotted, you can generate other kind of border style like dashes. The same way I put the class name dashes into my second paragraph, which is here dashes, and I connect this with the class name, with the CSS file, and I put my CSS code here, dot dash. So by doing dot dash, you connect your style, which dashes style you connected with this paragraph, line number 27. So this is how all these border style actually we have set up. So all you need to know that just this code and how you connect this code, the border style dashes, border style solid, border style double. As you can see here, this is border style double, this is border style solid, this is groom. How groom looks like, it's like that. This border, this is how it looks like. And then how reach looks like, how inset looks like. So this is just all example, and all of this design actually already inbuilt into the CSS code done by the developer. So excuse me, so you can follow those code to design your page border, elements border according to your desired. Okay, so next one, I want to show you about border side. In this example, we have been showing the only border around the elements, everywhere around, so left, top, right, bottom. But you also can specify that top of your border can be looks like dotted, and then right side border can be looks like solid, left side border can be looks like double. So this is how also you can design your border around your elements. So let me show you how it is this. So first of all, what I did, we have generated, to give the example of a side border, border sides. I have first generated the elements into the website, which is here, this one, which what I did here, just put the code like here, H2 heading 2 individual border side, which is here, is saying so. And then I've made another single paragraph. I put the class name side, because it's just similar to the border names. That's why I put the name, similar name, so that we can understand easily. So class name I put side, and then I connect this paragraph with the side border design, which is here. See, dot side. So here the code is a bit different, like not like just you write border style something and it's gonna go make that design accordingly. It's not like that. You have to make little different here, like border top style. So that means this border top will looks like dotted, and this border right will looks like solid. As you can see, they written I have written here border right style. So how it looks like, it will be solid. As you can see here on the right side, this is completely solid. And then again, bottom means this line of the border, this line is dotted, because I put dotted here. And the left side also I put solid, so that's why the left side looks solid. So I believe you are getting it. You are understanding how it's getting changing. So this is how you can change the different side, left or right, or top and bottom border design. Also, you can round up your border as well. This is the third example, which is also very interesting and looks very nice. People often making this design in their website. Sometimes they make their make the button looks like border. So if you put the border around radius with the radius code, then it will looks like a button. As you can see here, the border border radius property. So this is the property that changes the border each corner according to the code that you will put. So let's see how I made it. Let's go to the HTML page first and then have a look here. This is the first one. This is the first one, which is this one, and this is the second one, round 2, which is this one. And this line is this line number 42 is line here, referring here, and paragraph 43 is referring this line. So yeah, I have just followed the way that I have been following before. Yeah, so mainly just have a look here, line number 45, paragraph, it's called round border. So how you can do, I put the class name again. As I said that I'm going to go change all these elements border according to the class selector. So that's why I'm putting everything with the class name. So here I put the class name round 1, second one I put the class name round 2, because I'm going to show you about the round border. That's why I put the name round 1, round 2. And with this name I have connected the style into the CSS page, which is here, round 1, border 2px solid red. Here is little tricky code. Before you saw that for each of the border it has been written the code like specifically each of the code differently specifically for that each part, like border style none, and then border top style dotted, border right style solid. Sometimes you can put the border size equal to 2:2px means pixel, and also you can say the border style solid. Also you can say the border color red. All these code, different line code you can put into in one line. It's called border shorthand. And the way we have learned in shorthand, that it's quickest and easy way, here they have been followed that technique. Border 2px means the size, it does meaning that border size would be 2px. Solid means border round would be like solid. It will not be dotted, or it will not be like ridge or groove. So it will be solid, border round, and then border color will be red. Okay, that's what it means by this code. And then now the main things that we are actually discussing now, which is border radius. Radius 5px means the corner of each border will be round of 5px. If you increase it 10px, it will be more. Then padding, okay, we'll discuss it in our further class, maybe in lesson 8 or lesson 10. I'll discuss about it, but for now you just take it into your mind, and just put in your mind that padding is 5px. I'll explain you later in our next class how is padding is and how it looks like. So just now those we are discussing about border radius. So 5 means if you put 5, your border corner will be like this, as you can see here. Now let's put 10 then, and see how it looks like. I put 6 here, 10 here in round 1, and let me refresh it. You see it's more banded. It's not like this round 2 and round 1 now doesn't looks similar. Make it a bit more, put it more. See, it looks like completely a button. So this is how also you can change something. You can write and put a border and make it looks like button. Although we have a separate code for creating button, that's not a problem, right? So I hope you understand now. So and also here in the second round 2 means is this border, and they put 8px here. So that's all it is. I believe you understand. It's very simple. All you need to understand how we are connecting each of the CSS code into your HTML page, and what is the method I have followed here. You can follow the other way as well, selectors like through the ID, through the group, however you like. And yeah, I followed the external external CSS style, which is style.css page I create, and I connect this page into this page by making this null line number 5. So I have shown you in our previous class how you connected the one page to another page with your main page. This style is external CSS is much more effective than any other CSS style. That's why I'm following this external CSS. I believe you understand. Anything, any issue you don't understand, please leave a comment into the below, then I'll definitely get back to you as quick as possible. Thank you very much for watching our video. Thank you.